Oh man, I'm so stupid. So this is the sump plug. I broke it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. So today we're gonna do something about the car, the first oil change. As you can see, so we done a tuning a few days ago for the car and everything goes pretty well apart from the slight issue on the transmission, the output shaft. I mean, if you can see here, let me check. Probably it's not that serious, but it had a tiny bit gearbox oil leaking on the transmission output shaft, and we're gonna get it checked out later. But today my main task is to do the oil change for the engine. The first time oil change, I'm gonna drain the oil cooler as well. And the tuning went pretty well, so and nothing went wrong for the engine. And we made about 271 horsepower at the wheels, at about 18 psi turbo boost. And we also set up the better fuel pressure sensor and also the oil pressure sensor from Honeywell. So it's a better parts, and the tuner set up the safety feature for both sensors. So if any of them went wrong, maybe detect a wrong signal, so the engine will went into link mode or the turn off. So rather than causing more damage. Because I'm planning to get a wideband later, but at this stage, so I'm not gonna drive too insane, you know, just do it at a really early stage for the engine. So I will just keep low boost and don't rev it too high. Yeah, apart from that, so we just need to check out the transmission output shaft, the oil seal. Because right now I'm not sure if the problem is from the oil seal itself or the angle of the drive shaft. Because sometimes if the angle is not correct, maybe the slightly worn out on the new seal. So that could happen because we replaced the brand new oil seal for the out shaft. So now, we're just going out to get some new oils and filters for the car. Here we're back with some really nice Penrite Racing 15 oil. So this oil is recommended by my engine builder, so I just trust him fully for the junior oil filter from Toyota. Right, so today I will try to do a really good DIY job at home. So I will jack up both sides together, so to make it flat. If you only jack up the front, so the oil pan will be tilted, so you cannot drain the oil fully. So because right now you can see my oil sump. So the bolt you see here is on the front lower point. So I'm probably gonna check up the rear and slightly higher than the front, so the oil can drain better. Actually, I just realized I don't have to check up the front. Here, only the rear. So I can reach that sump plug pretty easily from here. So I already make it loose. So let's just open it up. If you take a look, the magnet definitely holding up some bad stuff from the engine. Maybe some metal dust. Let's see. Yeah, or just let it keep draining slightly more. Yeah, this time definitely gonna let it drain pretty well. And the sump plug is clean and ready. Just waiting for the oil to drain slightly further. Right now it's still
Yeah, still have some, yeah, probably another 10 minutes. Let it drain. Because right now I'm not sure if I can remove the filter from here, if it's too tight. So I don't know if I have enough leverage to open it up.
By the way, I have sold my MX-5 unfortunately, but I have plenty of space now to work on the car. Yeah, because the MX-5 for me is actually a really nice car to drive, but because I spent a lot of money on engine rebuild, some other stuff, so I think it's probably a good idea now to sell the MX-5 and to get things going. And I think, yeah, right now it's good. So this car is enough for me to worry about it.
Check this out, some bad braking oil. So actually the oil is not too bad. You see it's still quite clear, but you can definitely see some stuff in it. Some metal pieces, not a piece but a metal dust. Yeah. So hopefully the new oil gonna wash it again, because I'm planning to do another oil change maybe after about 2,000, 3,000 kilometers. So another 2,000 kilometers, I'm not gonna drive too hard. Maybe sometimes a little bit high RPM, but not all the time. But you can see it's not too bad, but some dust in it. Oh man, I'm so stupid. So this is the sump plug. I broke it, but I didn't realize. So this thing is made of aluminum, so hollowed, and to hold the magnet. So it could be a problem. So I'm trying to take out the sump plug now, but I still have some problem with the magnet. Let's see how it goes. Take a look. So I think I'm still lucky enough. So this thing is not too tight. I can use the friction on the broken edge to remove this, the half of the sump plug. Hold on, let me show you. Yeah, it's taken out. And I think it's definitely a bad idea to use the aluminum as a sump plug material. And this one is a hallowed. It's probably because I over tied slightly. I didn't really tight too much, just a tiny bit. I feel like it's coming loose in a moment, so I realized I've definitely broken. And it's still cool to have the magnet pieces. But lucky, so I still have. Yeah, so I still have a correct size steel sump plug. So this thing definitely much stronger. But again, don't over tight. Just around 25 Newton meters, probably enough. But my sump plug is made of steel, so pretty solid from MRP. But I definitely recommend don't use the aluminum sump plug anymore. That one really cannot hold much strength. So I just barely use my force with a really short ratchet. So this one here. So I only start the turning and snap. Alright, new plug looking alright. I'm so lucky the broken one didn't stuck. Okay, so now we're draining an oil cooler. And you can see this is a very old air pump for my bicycle before. So it actually worked pretty well. I have a fitting for my water hose and plugging on the inlet of the oil cooler. So what I do is just pump it and oil is just coming out of the outlet. Yeah, watch closely, I'm pumping it now.
See that?
See that? Yeah, just keep doing it.
Take a look, we pumped out a lot of bad oils from the oil cooler.
Alright, so everything cleaned up, new filter on. I also left a magnet piece on the steel sump plug, so it will do its job. Yeah, just don't lose it. I think right now it's pretty okay.
I was planning to put this lower cover today, but after all this and broken a sump plug, so I just getting too tired. Probably just lower the car and fill up the new oil and just have a test drive to see how this thing goes.
So you don't really need funnel to fill up oil, just do it carefully. So pour about 4.5 liters. So fresh.
Here we go, the oil level checked, and just need to do a fresh start. Let it idle for a while. Pretty good, eh? Alright guys, so if you like the video, make sure to subscribe my channel for more, and I'll go out for a drive soon. See you next time.